Good morning, everyone. Today we are going to talk about increasingly important aspects of law in our digital age. My topic is cybercrime laws in India. So, as we know that today we are using phones, laptops, means we are using digitalize. Our country is becoming digitalized. So, similarly, cyber crimes are also happening in our country. मुझे लगता है कि यहाँ पर मेरा जो क्राउड है वो सब लोग फ़ोन लैपटॉप पीसी इंस्टाग्राम फेसबुक व्हाट्सएप सब चीज़ें यूज़ करते हैं हम लोग तो while using we don't know how much it is harmful as well as how much it is helpful to our environment. So cyber crimes are accordingly increasing with the daily usage of internet and social media. So we will look how laws and what are the procedure, what is the aspect, how it is, what are crime laws which deal with cyber. So let's see. So guys, I want to ask you a question. What is cyber law according to you? You may be thinking it is only related to internet and social media. While you're correct, but you're but I'll tell you the whole story. So cyber law is we deal which deals with phone, internet, computer, system, database, uh, or cyberspace, which is according to information technology. So in as per law, it is also like contract laws, which are electrolyte, privacy laws, intellectual property laws, and each and everything which is electronic commerce. E-documents are given in legal recognition under cyber law. So there are different aspects which deal with this cyber law. Most importantly, the Computer Fraud and Abuse Act of 1986 was the first cyber law that was ever to be enacted for the first time, which was introduced as a cyber law. It prohibits unauthorized access to the computers and illegal usage of digital information. मीन्स मोटा मोटा वो सिर्फ फ्रॉड बेसिस और जो पनिशमेंट्स है अकॉर्डिंग टू दिस committed against cyber law are introduced in this law. So guys, now we will talk about types of cyber law. So now we know that hacking is very famous word. So hacking means typically it is hacking someone else database or else social media or personal information which is collected by them. Second is cyber stalking, when one person stalks anything which is related to a personal property of someone else. That time cyber stalking is taking place. So thirdly, smishing. Yeah, it is a new word which is only used in cyber crimes, which means fraud that uses text messages. When अब अगर आपको पता होगा तो कोई अगर आपको टेक्स्ट मैसेजेस में कोई सर्विसेज या फिर गुड्स बेचने के या कुछ भी चीज़ें देने के में ऐसा दिखाते हैं कि वो चीज़ एक्चुअली में वो सेल कर रहे हैं बट इट इज़ अ एक्चुअली फ्रॉड टेक्स्ट which is only used to collect your database. फोर्थ वन इज ऑनलाइन जॉब फ्रॉड. आपको कोई भी पेमेंट्स करने के लिए बोलते हैं, आपको कॉल आता है, मैसेज आता है कि आपको ऑनलाइन जॉब प्रोवाइड करेंगे एंड इट इज़ अ टोटली फ्रॉड. फिफ्थ वन इज phishing. Phishing is when an email appears to be फ्रॉम अ लेजिटेबल सोर्स. एक आपको ईमेल आता है, एक मैलिशियस अटैचमेंट इंटेंशन होता है उसमें कि आपकी स्टील पर्सनल इंफॉर्मेशन, आपका जितना भी पर्सनल इंफॉर्मेशन होगा, like आपको एक ईमेल आएगा at a time when you are very disturbed or very busy in your work. At that time it will appear and it will steal all your personal information. Sixth one is cyber bullying. साइबर बुलिंग इज समवन हु हरासेस, लाइक आप उसके पास आपका कोई भी डेटाबेस है या फिर कुछ भी आपका पर्सनल इंफॉर्मेशन है जो आपको टोटली टॉर्चर या फिर मेंटली डिस्टर्ब कर सकता है, तो उस टाइम पे हरासमेंट इस इस मेथड से हो सकता है। लास्ट वन इज चाइल्ड सेक्सुअल अब्यूसिव मटेरियल। इसके लिए आपके कोई पर्सनल इमेजेस या फिर कौन सा भी कंटेंट अगर किसी के हाथ लग जाए, तो ये एक मेथड है जो सेक्सुअली आपको हरास या फिर टॉर्चर कर सकता है। So now, moving on, we will talk about cybercrime laws in India. What sections or what is the act which deals with this law? Which means if someone does this crime, what is the act, law, or authority will use? So the main source is Information Technology Act 2000. It was enacted at in 2000. It is a primarily legislation in India dealing with the cybercrime. It is only to provide uh, the facility electronic filing of documents, which frauds are means frauds are done under this. Also, electronic documents facilitate electronic filings, and similarly, it also provides someone who does the crime. It provides penalties for cyber crimes. Also, the act was amended in 2008 to address new cyber threats and challenges. So here are some sections which are involved in cyber crimes. Like section 43 is penalty and compensation for damage to computer system, etc. सेक्शन 66 इज हैकिंग विद कंप्यूटर सिस्टम। अगर कोई आपका लैपटॉप या फिर कौन सा भी आपका जो सोर्स है जहाँ पे आपका डेटाबेस है, वो अगर कोई भी हैक करता है तो ये सेक्शन लागू होगा उस समय। और सेक्शन 66 सी आइडेंटिफाई थेफ्ट, अगर कोई ये चीज़ थेफ्ट के हिसाब से आपसे कोई भी डेटाबेस लेके जाता है तो ये सेक्शन अप्लाई होगा। सेक्शन 66 डी इज चीटिंग बाय पर्सोनेशन। Section 67 is publishing or threatening, sorry, transmitting obscene material in electronic form. अगर आपका कोई न्यूड फोटो है या फिर कोई भी ऐसा कंटेंट है जो कोई भी ऐसे आपको हरास करने के लिए यूज़ कर सकता है या फिर थ्रेटनिंग के लिए यूज़ कर सकते हैं, तो ये सेक्शन लागू होगा उस समय। So now we will talk about cyber crimes investigation in India। मतलब कौन इन्वेस्टिगेशन करेगा या फिर हम लोग कहाँ पे अगर इंक्वायरी करते हैं तो इंक्वायरी की कमेटी कौन होगी। तो अगर आई एम फ्रॉम महाराष्ट्र, सो नाउ इफ महाराष्ट्र में एक अलग से इंडिया हैज अ साइबर क्राइम इन्वेस्टिगेशन सेल। मतलब एक हर एक स्टेट में एक नेशनल या फिर स्टेट साइबर क्राइम इन्वेस्टिगेशन सेल होगा। और ये जो होगा ये एक प्रोसीजर रिपोर्ट साइबर क्राइम्स कहाँ पे नियरेस्ट इन्वेस्टिगेशन सेल होगा, तो ऑनलाइन फॉर्म में भी होगा रिपोर्टिंग पोर्टल पे या फिर थ्रू नियरेस्ट साइबर इन्वेस्टिगेशन सेल होंगे। थर्डली, लॉ इन्फोर्समेंट एजेंसीज भी इसमें होंगे, लाइक CBI एंड NIA। NIA is National Investigation Agency and CBI is Central Bureau Investigation, विच आर इन्वॉल्व इन द साइबर क्राइम। बिकॉज क्योंकि ये जो क्राइम्स होते हैं या फिर एक मनी लॉन्ड्रिंग के हिसाब से होंगे, थोड़े मतलब वास्ट है ये टॉपिक, इसलिए CBI और NIA को भी इंक्लूड करना मैंडेटरी है। So guys, here are some cases which deal with cyber crimes. First one is the state versus James Matthew, which was uh, decided in 2018. That time, James Matthew was found guilty of stealing debit card information of bank customers. I'll give you an example. If you are a fan of Netflix, then there was a series called Jamtara. That time they were calling anyone from by taking the information from the bank or from the SIM cards companies. That time they were calling at a time where someone was sleeping or someone was busy in their work, and that time they were calling and just saying that your credit card or your ATM card is blocked, will be blocked in some time. you need to give us the OTP numbers and etc. or phone numbers or Aadhaar card number, everything. That time they were stealing the information of the bank customers, and that time the fraud was happening. So to deal with this, the Information Technology Act 2000 was very much in picture to control this the crime. And second one is the state of Tamil Nadu versus Suhas Katti 2004. Suhas Katti hacked into the BSNL telecom exchange system to make free international calls. He was guilty because he hacked the BSNL telecom exchange, and that time he was found guilty for this crime. So, guys, my conclusion for this is the Information Technology Act 2000, along with its amendments, provide a legal framework to deal with the cyber crimes in India. Moreover, increased awareness about we should, as a citizen of India, we should make an awareness to the people of India that the cyber security is crucial to prevent cyber crimes. If someone who is not having the knowledge about the phones or gadgets they are using, it is very important that the awareness have to be taken place very importantly. And thirdly, it is important to report cybercrimes prominently and seek legal help. No one should keep quiet after getting trapped into such crimes or into such a scenario. It is very important to get a FIR or something which is seek legal help at that time for justice. So that's it, guys. If you have any questions, please mail to shravankadam03 at the rate gmail.com, and I'll personally look over it and help you. So, guys, if you have any questions or anything, please drop a mail to my email ID which I have provided. And hope you liked this presentation. See you. Thank you. Bye.